Abusia enede mame fanchia kese emba baby bia wo ne baby bia wotie ne baby bia wujina Omain kura wo so no. I greet you in the name of God the Father, the Son and the Holy Spirit.
My Father, I am telling you.
Bedia mejidi yese nyame dada nyame tete nyame Abraham nyame Isaac nyame Jacob nyame Daniel nyame
From today, and because of that covenant,
Sarai nyame Elizabeth nyame
in your life,
Zacharias nyame no Say nyame kronoa na medie minim se maginedi
there is someone.
minim nyame bia biewa me maame ne me papa edeme kire no aje say nyame dada no a oye nyame kronkron oye nyame ohuna de nyina de nanim adagya de bia no pawia ne anajo ono na ahyeda ka se mamon na adam ho nyame yensi na twetwe na de nipa bia eguo na no aso na wotwa ono ne apam korafo nyame letumi aka ne ho asema no pawia ne anajo semenantie ene mesu ene me ban ente sese ne opese ya na me yodadafo etine me no mi no yehia wonanimu a ewo radio Adom 106.3 or Facebook also so dia 106.3 krono a and as a YouTube also so 106.3 krono a
Look at me.
sa kwan hodo ya yenya de som nyame tetemere no obi ya nya ne sa ene je no obi betimi awo attachment ya enkuransa
Servants of Abraham, but Abraham, fear not.
asaman kase esuboy
On your side, so fear not.
pram kase
Keeping God.
mpasetia
I said will come to pass.
enkuruntin
That will
sedi koben amanchia
and let us say this man.
esu yeboa insutem
Your life.
abuabuja
Nothing whether God has said about your life shall come to pass.
ho
Because the
togo
service of covenant
de meye no wahanom efre kokomlemle fanofa street
places to take places.
enkana yenya ne sa share radio asene ne yenya ne sa
He's the God.
ya no kra na radio no bepeja akosoro baby na wo chia no na wo butu no
He belongs.
nanso se nyame adom ni nyansa wode ama nipa onam Daniel so kan se nim de ebedoso
God has said it
nim de adoso nti
to pass.
ene baby ya wonam bia de obi ye bia radio oye ya yes bibi Facebook meti ya atade ya hwemie wote Afghanistan wo hunu eye nim de nyame de ma nipa eno na ya na me mo de metena se ya na madwene won se sa nim de nyame de ma nipa yi obi okura wonye Kristo ni nanso wonye nimde no atumi a invent bibi amane ye yusu ya na me bisa me ho etumi nya kasa me kasa o be ya bisa mo se edie pa na me nso so adwene kuro ye nyame de ama bia omo de ye adupre omo de aye ship omo de aye moto omo de ade aye wiper wonum se car wotim no wiper ye adwuma no oba na invent ye oba otukwan ewa America kurobe so teke no mu a wudi nenka also mu di be 2 days oba e friend Monica eno teke no mu ne nsuo to na woyi ne ade na kan yaye kan no nanso bibie ne enimu a etimi pepa enimu oba ne tena se dwene ho saase ade yi a enka bibi wo ka ye enimu anka etimi ye ekoba ebetimi apepa nsuo na firi ho oba no tenasia umudi beye na awotwemie no wokwam ene obey tenasia se dabi bibi wo hono obi betumi aye ena ababa we tenasia na okeka ne yemasia no na we invent bibi a ye frɛ no wiper oba o ade na wototo ho ase kyerɛ sɛ me de me wiase a me baaye bintimi nya hwe me ne hwe na maye me de me babetu mabusua no aye abusua nkontonchi aye abusua ohia wom aye no kore nyame na kyerɛ baabi aye nwo obia ene abusua obia mfiri mu nanso baby obepie ye no nyame no a hyeda siesie wo wadwene wakoma baso obetumi adosuko kakra de ya so tena baby a oteno a wontumi nya hwe Odifo Agnes baby ye free no so dosuko kakra bia Odifo ba be wo mic no kakra na wodo suko kakra bia na se na asuafo ayi no ma ya apofofo they were fishermen no mo ni mo da kura se owura bia ye frɛ no Yesu be ba bagye wo mo boat kura dia ya adwuma na nso so otena wo mo ship no mo boat no pe na boat no bebre ne sisi ho but what the year Juma ye no. Owura no gina mu kansem pa no nyina wie ye no. Ana o ka kire Petro se ka kɔ baabi a ɛhodɔ. No mo so ma ye adwuma na Judasuo no mu nyina wo ma nya hwe o. Wo ma nya hwe o maame. Wo ma nya hwe. Wo ma nya hwe o. Maame wo ma nya hwe. Ye nyina ye kɔ beto bre bia wo nya hwe. Bosumi bembi no mi ensen. Woma adwuma pa ye play mo tena no mo kɔ ha. Ese wunya hwe. Nanso so owura ne kasa ba akopɛ. Ose wo de ka kɔ baabi a ɛhodɔ. Wo hwɛ nyansem anka kyese gebeka se. Wo mo ye fishermen. Wo mo nim adwuma no. Wo mo nim bra ye timi yi nam. Enso so owura ye gye wo mo boat on se tobre bi na nyame gye wo nipadua, gye wo bre, gye wadaagye, gye wo sika ye bibia. Wo be bo hwena kasa. O kasa sa but o wie ye no. Eno ka kire Petro se. Ora. Efe de wo kodo no me si afrim. Ebeka wonko a ma gora zade adaga. Wasi ebeka wonko a ma me kasa.
Ye ba na me kasa asemu ese. So for me papa osuansa. Sisi anase so obi. Nyame pagye obi a invite ase no hu. Papa 25 years. Me ba na me ka kire wo ma me no mo ba no. Anajo de bia o twakwan me de me fie o twakwan sa anje se nyame pagya no o fiti prekope
da bio
na nyame pagya wa bremu ene ne na nyame di na adui enti se wan fa wo pe amenyame ahofa ma se urade fa me yese na wo
jebribi mu ma urade jebribi mu ma urade
fa wa dua bibi wo mu obi bi o wi ase urade dua bibi wo no mu o ma ho kwan ya nyame de wo ye Uja uhumu keke kakre bi na obeja ma urade wo bense urade akasa ketwe bi di akere wo he will whisper oh your friend whispering of the word benso akancho say kokko wani mu kakra Peter ye obi a wayi nam wo ma ye adwuma na Judasuo mu nyinara wo ma anya hwe Wogura yi begina koduo no mu kasa wie ya afedie osia enka emeje bibisa se na usi no die na ode mame na we use me boat no sa enka ye na me asantini be we use me boat no sa na die na ode mame Peter ankasa na Yesu sie free boat no mu no eno was Peter ura okodo no kako baabi a ɛhodɔ kako baabi a ɛhodɔ baabi a hodɔ baabi a me gina aya me ne wo de ye adwuma ne de ɛya ano me gyawo wonko a woni wo tim no monka nkɔ baabi a ɛhodɔ Peter Dan and one was a yura ya ye adwuma na Judasuo mu nyinara ye nya hwe nenso so wasemunti ebe na odi yi ohu ano wonim de nyame beye wonim de nyame wo wanim wonim de nyame beye na bosumi akada kakra bi na bosumi na kɔ na wie ye but by the
speaking directed authoritative words. God will speak just one word. Nyamiasem. Ose kako baby a hodo. Kako baby a hodo. Launch into the deep. Launch your thinking. Launch your thinking. Mama kasa.
Say onyankopon kasa nse say de nyame yi ye ho.
Dabio.
Waka.
Scientifically, professionally.
And they say with this so.
Owura Peter. Why ye opofofo. Yesu wenyinam. Nanso so Yesu Kristo kasa wiye ye no. Was a kako baby a hodo.
Tumira na kasa. Se tumira na kasa.
Was a kako baby a hodo.
Ensenkyere ne si.
Peter se ma ye adwuma. Owura ma ye adwuma. I am not a lazy man. Menya kwadwofo ma ye adwuma. Nanso ye nya hwe. Nanso so wanuma semanti. Afutu sembe ne de ma wo a wangie. Encourage sembe ne de ma wo a wangie. Kasa kire be ne de ma wo a wangie. Ye me keka nyina no ofa free Lucas empati aye enum. Ose kako baby a hodo. Launch into the deep. Launch into the deep. Peter nimu de biara da se sabre no at the time sabre no no we na mo anya yi ade ache abusua the impossible the impossibility baby di for
ade anya normal
anya normal anya normal anya normal anya normal anya normal ade anya normal Adia na normal. Ya adwuma na do da suo mu nyinara ya nya hwe. Covenant keeping God. Covenant keeping God. Uvrata. What's the day? Mami age, what's the day? Wa ye adwuma na do da suo mu nyinara. Osofu ye usuanze. Boso me bi ansa bra mi wediem. Na wo chira me kurom ha. Yeah, cause I was a young can come and be a hot dog. Can be a hot dog. What hit him for? I want the my bread. I brought my bread. Nancy, I could I interfere with him internet to do a man talk. My bread. I am almost giving up in this life. I don't know what to do anymore. I don't have the strength to move on. I don't have the capacity. I don't have the zeal. My commitment, my dedication is gone. Karimadu Safikidi. Is there anything that is bothering your mind, telling you that Aguadiano Kurami Jai, Akurami Sodomobile? Ebia Wababe Drew Baby, I to say, Haga, say, and she only why the Bayma Bofrano. I cannot see the emotions of my child to die. Let me throw the child away. I'm in trouble, Fran and Tonchene. But in the process, Aquadani Sui, I don't pay. What do you say? When you make a catcher, Branty and Ababa will be said, Kakobe be a hot dog. Kakobe be a hot dog. Kako baby a hot dog. Enyine jina anoha. Kako baby a hot dog. Antikai Jarifa Inshura Sisi. Kako baby a hot dog. Kako baby a hot dog. Ekuya kusi Dozi. Kako baby a hot dog. Ayua Kako baby a hot dog. You cannot live your life on the surfaces of life. Enyine jina anoha, enyine jina baby awujina no. Ya ni apam kurafu nyame nenam. Ya ye adwuma na jude suo mu nyinara. Ya nya hwe. Ozeme minimasa. Yesu wo katwi. Ozeme demasa. Na so dia kako baby a hoda. I feel like speaking into somebody's destiny. Kako baby a hodo. Magudini mikataka huwa. Kako baby a hodo. Kako baby a hodo. And na jua dano pay.
Beba wo fie ho ba wo krom ho a kakọ baabi a ehodo wa bread ye wa bama budie enkuguo bi aba wo mu die but you need a direct word we hear sempo bia ebeka kire o say launch into the deep let your thinking go deeper wa dwendwene no dwene kwa akiri wo betimi aye biribi mesi wo betimi aye biribi ena dwuadai ma menka nkire maame bi wo betimi aye biribi odifo agnes wo betimi aye biribi enka nkire me se ena mankosiko eno akiri media me yiko nipa mu a media me ni certificate kako ba bia ehodo launch into the deep wonim de nyame wo ma wo yasi yade bia ba enti se de wiase financial constraint na dos kako ba bia ehodo wo fie no kako ba bia ehodo emma environment no any situation no and detective mau emani hunehuna maame di for can be you ka emani hunehuna
daddy ye be kan
ko ba bia ehodo
yen ni
yen hwe ba bia ye gina no
yen man no ma bi nka
yen hwe ye background
yen man from bi ebo
from ebo ehuma etu
ne waka kire ho a ne ye be ko
kako ba bia ehodo
ona ne ma papa wo nyame samutumi ye den
oh Jesus mo Facebook mo kasa babusia ya mahama matna ha emeye entertainment it is not entertainment we revolutionize your thinking we provoke your thinking and trusting kase ya bwatuma Rosemond Sophia Gifty
The covenant keeping God.
be hunu mo Facebook for no anama bobo kakra mitime mo bomu nyina kako ba bia hodo woso wo ba no wasai woso wo ba no wajimi woso kunu wode oye kwadwofo kako ba bia hodo ba bia wugina no eya ano you can go to the deeper side. Let your thinking. What thinking is so shallow. What doing no and then I know how to do. And can make us Nanka bind what doing this. Namekasa another. Namekasa Subesi. Namekasa Prime Minister. Namekasa Dabi. Kako be a hot dog. And now no pay for some bower dinner. So be said, what in some banner dinner. Or so about them. But media, my main country say. Activate your brain. Let your thinking go deeper. Ose kako baby a hodo. Yesu sifri kudu no. Ose di akare de eyewo. We ye yo ejina wonso. Obambo ejina wonso. Yesi fa mask shower no wan fa nsha. Enya na nado na be ya ama wo. Yesi hohoro wonse wan hohora. Wo di a wo ye. You have your part to play. And tell me your answer. Media by inspiration on the amene okay. Me dwendwena homachin na man fan come scriptures on. But me metna heya inspiration has come to inspire you. Uje Bible ma bibie ya ma bie kwadwom ene ma bie Exodus chapter 16 e hono come no bekasa. But I be inspired to inspire somebody. But the edika say jaw homo ma urade. Wo yusu wi a onya wa kwantemfi. Yansum nyame mboka. Mama di for yansum nyame mboka. Yansum nyame mboka. Yansum nyame mboka. Yansum nyame mboka. Wo yusu wi a enya American 60 use and dump. E kai me ko kra nyame asem okuro bi so e wo Belgium. E preach here revive and we here. The team of about 5 people na call here. We na so for na yira. Belgium. Kanya me asem aso for ne hu no. So for question cake ka ho. Ye hu no kura. Yeah, hu no so for. The casa because ye program me okuro bi so baby. Me call ya Eastern Central regions you be. Me ko wiye me call ya sorry ho no. Bayira ya no aye. Ene ye de ma hese ye nkodo ani. Bayire. Ubi ya baby Kenya mesemu. Ye be ye revival. Bayire pa. ba yire kakra ka no de man se monko no ani afa ni aba ye program no yes of maame no abi se ye ho you say this life no anya niam nyina na yakeka o ba yesu biara no a se kakọ baabia e hodo ade na so be ja we ade na so be ja okunu ade na so beto ma atwene yan sum nyame manen to yan twene ukunu betimi atwo atwene woyire betimi atwo atwene aban Ghana aban betimi atwo atwene but I can assure you Ghana aban oh jai me hunu bi me wo practical experience betimi ajaw kwan omonka okura but I thank God, I thank the capital God. Medasi Kate, as it God richly bless you. Kate Medasi. God, young Suminame Waka. Young Fire Home Benjamin Waka. Young Fire Brabo Benjamin Waka. Also for Ataka Fakaka home.
Peter, Juma. Bible so Juma.
Yamen Pa Quadrofo. Yamen Pa Quadrofo. Yamen Pa Quadrofo. Obia the who you may shoot we are see up your Quadrofo. My yet Juma. And I do this human. On Juma Grand when you be. My yet Juma. Oh my God. About the show when say, yes, Unia, Sabia William Ray, and I said, what of form? And I said, what to me calling him. I said, near my say, will be shown crying. Now I say, a pay out. I said, you know, Nasso. Him crying chef.
Young crying chef.
My year, Juman, I do the human.
As a 1 year, but the homodine. And so, Niaman Quay and Fermano. By yes, Biano. I said, Saya beam. Satuana Moonbeam.
One can say, you know, was a caco with him.
Coinim
Caco baby a hot dog. Not just a wild brabono, you must know the deepest side ahead of you. One cast, yes, one chance was one cassa, co baby a hot dog. Say, oh, shallow mindedness. So, what you know, intimate, the intimate dosuka, obey a mobo. And now, you united fear, you see, caco baby a hot dog. What? Oh my God. Kako baby.
I just said, Kako baby a hot dog.
One can say me kama. One can say me be kama.
In the good one Eddie cancer. But do baby, I was a pretty
was a one
cassa.
Kako baby.
Kako baby a hot dog.
Do you know the door, please? The kako door, please. Do you know one cassa? A Juma way kako don. Ya kase kwa chiria. Go into the deepest of your life. When you yano. Mubebre honum I kase ko baby a honum ye deeper. Odifoba bebrenim. Enti abrabono. Ye shadow minded fullness. Adwene atetani heya. Adwuma waya no. Waton mo. Waton koko for 10 years. Untimi fa bibinka honda. Creative mindset eni ho opamade nansi ankrofo center de nko party no wontimi nya hwebie kako ba bi hodo let your thinking be deep, deeper thinkers. Obi eni wa waye yi a odwene wa enimu ha ya wotimi ye yi dabi one kasa ena no pay me se fa ansa boutiri me kasa I would think deep, think. Messi Oba na wiper ya the paper can Oba in the midst of frustration. I will take Jack Quine from Texas. Oba, the friend of Monica. Yes, I was there. Baby, what will be to the ato glass? Yenny mamma let me up a pension. Yenny I didn't you talk. We for more than 2 weeks. Was there be to free. How no more pay and we invented be a friend of wiper. That was it.
So the Monica.
Or the Monica. Or the Monica. Monica. No, the Monica. Me say abrabowe asetra denten bia mo no. There is something new that you can do. Bibi ho no ma betimi aye. Men ka jira me say baby ya duru dia betimi nya hwe. Media bawie media masa da na me ka jira obi say KFC. Who say KFC ya toto aduane di. Oye pensioner. Our tifia when you hear and was asked yes or to pan and what they chiche and as a can be GB and that was the end. When I catch it, I say, this is the end of your life. Will be a jow, but this is the end of my life. Why yes, I was about what feel it was this is the end of my life. What boy Jamai Bakum, you know, and here you were dear Frasor. Me come ho. Aquarinsa. And he said, W. Besson, the patrol. Pick yourself up. Pick free baby, I would done. And decide to move your life forward. Come on. One more children, the madam says some more children. But Montreal, Namufanya Juma. Montreal, Mufanya Juma. Deep thinkers. Israel for Kasa. Adiache, how much you say? Then we are never go street. Mana. What if you are to me? I am a brother was sitting on our tree. Mamma Bompire, my 1 minute. Now Bompire, we are. Yam for Krista. I can't just at this time, your man who hear me. Na ya Timmy Akasa Chira Mam. Miss ya pesa wa tanking. Jai said ya would drink say, meet me. Uncle Skuda is not the issue. Mini certificate. Me. Ya uswansa. Me epitome of grace. Me said that me who ya dance here. Me for will be yet. Pick yourself up. Shall see so be kinkai. Shall see so be ready. Read wide. Tia de won tia bida. That will provoke your thought and your thinking. Disassociate yourself to chongufrin crofobia. Now build your capacity. Build yourself. And check. You go to another level. Mission crying na juade. Mission crying na day. Mission crying na day. Mammy, if I show baby, I will be honest. I was so cool anymore. I saw mammy so for bumpy. Fansa 2 adrenaso. Fansa 2 triso. Fansa 2 manoso. Fansa 2 crosso. And then begin to accept this prayer prophetically. A good address, a radi. Meneme, meneme kuno. Meneme fearful. Yantra Hayanguda. Aquatafo. Was I then was he at Tanhani? I then was he at Tanhani? Yeah, maybe be a Mekuyan. We will not die premature death. Dear for Agnes, Sasu Bompa.
A radia that was sick.
Thank you.
Yes, so when you're young, baby.
Thank you, Lord.
A war, as summer or their fire for Pemudia Maya. And now you're nearby a house.
Yes, Lord.
You know, I cut them. Yenim say ya pem. Yenim say ya brabo esi. Yehu baby I am fa. And now what fire papa makasa kyerɛ. Awurade ya da wase. Onyame hon konkron a wo ya buafo. Ba bua yen. Awurade me bompa ye. Wo mo makadam. Omunim so omunim ni da so. And da so asa. Me tira Yesu Kristo dimo. Ekasa se. Sorry Yesu dimo sorry na ko. Yes, they must sorry konkai. Yes, they must sorry free. And kugo semo. Yes, they must sorry. Ya kugo sorry. Our yes Kristo dimo. Onyame hon konkron. Ni ase no fa. SCC eyeniye awurade me bompaye we dua ba obiamu aduma sedia we dua obiamu awurade obiara na aduma sedia akofom awurade me bompaye se mani fifie mani mpie wo Yesu Kristo dimo awurade mo obiara fanye na mo se wo Kristo wo ka no adu samre ekwe wa watena se sori wa wo mpa aduma ekwa aduma wa wo wani ani da so bia ya ni da so so kowanim yesu nti kowanim na ba kodi nkunim sinkunim defo wonyame agya eba nkunkudi mu nti amen.
Yenti nneoma ahodo a yɛde bɛbɔ yɛn ho ban afiri coronavirus yi ho. Ebra no yɛnhwɛ sɛ yɛde nsuo ne samena ɛbɛhohoro yɛn nsa. Sɛ yɛwie a yɛmfa hand sanitizer no nso etwitwi yɛn nsa ho. Sɛ wokɔ abɔnten na wobɛduru fie a hwɛ sɛ wode nsuo ne samena ahohoro wɔn nsa. Sɛ wodɔfo bi yare na wayaresabea wokɔhwɛ no na wobɛduru fie a fa nsuo ne samena ɛhohoro wɔn nsa. Ene nso ehu behia sɛ wobɛbɔ asradom a woni padua no ho ban mekyerɛ immune system no enti hwɛ sɛ anuane awodo a anuane no wɔ mu no wobɛdi dodo anka sei ema no empa ho ana vitamin C yenni dodo sanso ene nsuo dedede yenom dodo ne yenom nso bebree yena yeton ade no yade ton mu yenhwɛ sɛ obi amfa ne nsa entoto mu na mmom yankasa yebeyi amade ɔtɔ ade no. So wo krom ukogu nsuo eba ahwɛ sɛ wode nsuo ne samena eba horo wɔn nsa sɛ bi mmɛn wɔn so a hand sanitizer hwɛ sɛ wode bi ebetwitwi wɔn nsa ho enkoda no wɔ fie tiniama wɔn de di agro nyinaa no ebra no awofo no mo nhwɛ sɛ wɔn bɛpepa ho ansa na wɔn so de adi wɔn dwuma yɛn kanea ne remote ahodo a yɛwɔ ɛwɔ fie no switch no yɛ a yɛnhwɛ sɛ bra no yɛbɛpepa ho. Ensafo ahodo sɛ yɛ ka na sɛ yɛ dan yɛnhwɛ sɛ yɛbɛpepa ho bra no si yɛdidi saa nneɛma wei nyinaa so ɛne nhyehyɛ mpanimfoɔ ɛde ama yɛn no a yɛbɛbɔ yɛn ho ban bebree ɛde afiri coronavirus yi ho. Sankratwe Caris ne Ghana Medical Association ɛna de brɛ Caris ekum ɛmoa wɔ ha mu nkyɛmu adi ɔkronkron na kyiripɔnkron. Say yes to your life. Dole yogurt more I need more. Alive soap. Soap can save your life. Use it. Magdan Shipping Limited, your total logistics partner. NFA, Petrosol Ghana, a delightful experience. Medase.
Mr. Medase. Jumedia said the Abawan chain.
The Multimedia Group and a Joy FM edi 25 years. Nyamedina Seda Enka 25 years amaka yen ho aboa ame yedi dwuma na ase ene yede emamo mu amutie yen mu amuni yen edi dwuma yede mu nyina ase esremo se mfia aka eda yenim mu meka yen ho na yemmoa empeja o man Ghana ensi ho. The Multimedia Group at 25 years of media excellence, 25 years of joyful experiences. #grateful hearts, #aseda yede mu nyina ase.
Celebrating 25 years.
Bedasibio, say you made a series of media bar when China or Tennessee na ye bugumani abompire di amawono. A ye Patos AIB. Wama ye bibi a friend a centaur and rana Jumino be chatty. I was at me here bibi. Can I ask you for that favor? And I'm saying, dear, but beside say my home didn't draw because we be casa yana also origin home, you know, because we won't be bisa one casa or sebefem. Will be a bizarre, and I'm saying, okay, I will do it in a 10. Can we, I say, can you, as well, I'm saying, Miana kinds of my boy. And some bizarre was all coming with Mamma Centaur, Centaur, sanitizer. Yade ye nsem, yade ye punano, yade ye microphone so ye phones ho. Mene wo kase on some ba ku shemi botom ye ketwe bisa entibefa mi ya mi so pio na kum ye emwa biara wo me ho bia no na ahwehwe wo mase. A centaur. Who company more yet me a bahonoma ya baba or honoma your banks and as schools I can see ya bani about honoma na yet me mahonoma ya kama more be a hobiano near sure mase. FDA I approve that centaur. What per se when you do ye bet me anya a quine ya brewbe 0541110136. 0541110136 and wofra
be sure so when your number 054-111-0136 ubetimi to do but you be deliver a day amawo dodo. Right, Mamenko Kumase, Namenkasa Kakra Honoma na Yantuaso. Adwa, good morning.
Good morning, Papa.
I want to say. Yes, Ada Roma, ne Mobro Hono, and then a bonnet free, then a bonnet fatche, a home mobo, or Mametiase, or some encanco, baby a hot dog. All right, so Hoya and Korana, so be a Hoya, and Raudi Fufu.
Oh, Papa, me patron.
I asked him Bisa.
Me patron.
Santa Fordia, Motanas and Money Fufu, movies a bunny. All right, Ashanti region. Send your mom manage Corona, quite dear.
Yaguso.
Because me buy no na baby ho no me wura na me shed dem mask ni and social distancing no so and a baby on so na me hu ni ye pa baby okura police for no chinkrofo mo kodo wan she mask no oh na defe baby asukwa police station mo kodo sa wan she mask oh ye be mo ado and a baby so me drew a just so me who say police car be dimrika no more be sign who no more cross car be and be some say dear bass almost say yeah check cars and microphone and share mask oh one share so the near move money at the Marco post station no more yeah man yeah fe come say the send no more yeah no baby microphone me be a stubborn by the young kasa me take a crown son ya sorry and then mama and papa you share near the Buan Kodai.
Papa made us cheerful and so. Papa, to say the Okan, yes, the Peter, or some my year Juma, the morning. Already, Papa parents, you go so I yet to Mofrano, but to do baby are not challenge, you know, I can see. She saw we are for now with the women's identity, a good poem, a mabofra, na abofra. Kasa back at you. Akoleba wona ne kasa no no so ne wuyiya no. Wo na wo gu anima se. Sa edu sam pompon so na. We emotions no. Wo ye ne sen. Because edu sa pompon so na. Enam se abofra no egu animo ase. Enam se akoda na yiyi. Anyway ye yiya no anasa wo kasa. Boni be se then wo kasa na the child also talks back at you. Do you lose it? This is the time when my parenting a thing. Obi any wa who back to theater. Kopim say wo ba ebe ye bibia na wo expect say obeye e wo nipem. Or yes ana my other parents and I say nipa wo baby no e point yensa e wo so. Enti no say edu sa mre ya e dian e na wo fo obeye. Na yes say your ability to keep calm and stay in control of your emotions when the children stress you out as a mother, and when Emma will be a good parent, as a parent, you know, and when Emma will be a good parent. But how do you do that? Akodano wa buwe nimusia. Emprem wana na wase wochina so anase woyedring. Enti niyama kakra eneye kan se. E wase se sa wun kosa te biane mu a abofra no ada suban bia wompe edia. The first thing e wase woje as a parent and say e wase we take control. Papa say we lose control we lose parenting, one of the most serious parenting roles, you know? Because it's a would lose control. Now, when me and take control of yourself, would be ye be one shakra would be doing abofrano.
Just a nisa will lose control.
Debbie, because of control na your power. Parents, beyond your ability to control yourself in this difficult situation and your power. At the moment now, star subana dedi anasa star ade a won peno esi ewo omofrano.
It let us adwo acha sa akwada no se wo tu no for wo kasa kire no talk back
yi ano na ne yi ano no kura na sa abro maame eno ede so a memma wakoma emprawo memma wo emotions no nkosoro
esan say enye sa abre ni mu na wo betumi asesa abofra to wo betumi asesa bibi sa abre na eye wo emotions and say wo anger no wo bufuo na aba wo so wo de no na wo say wo controlling no
calm down
at that time but enye easy
enough from
David cry and
akura bi won ma wo ye di kura no ne voice na ekosoro
enti papa say at entiantiamu mienu no and solve it
okay
because we kasa nti obi answer me de
na me bona no so
papa say
me bona no so
papa mo no because ebufu a wo de ba bona no so no wan fi an sting na be gidi atinemu enti sa ebufu no na wo be hye wo ho so
okay
say de be ya wo bo abofra ana won tiantiamu because wo tiantiamu abofra no asama wo kan won te
okay
because we tiam enti you as the parent no I was say we leave the battleground because I see amumi na entopa na mo ko akoda no pese o kire wo fo ne say
wa ka asemu just say akoda de tie na say wo so tie mu a asemu mi eru nyina mu gina akono on
papa mo ko because obi atiantiam nti obi antimi tie ne yon obi aka nse de ne yon ko ka but at that time obi a pese ohun so na wo power nti se wo pese wunya sa tumi na amra sa ne ma na ekoso free ho
okay
because the would free wa koma ebe bafom or kasa
ba sa kura bi won ma wo free ho no de ne first na me shana na wutimi e kasa menim
wadi be di wachi
to e na sa also ya dan
wo free hostel
ko so free ho
free ho wo de se dan sa de ko shem na tu no nyina e dan na chi no won kasa because so when you hear no one we lose power no we lose control
okay
but say we dey here na fi no kasa so aka afi won kekem because akoda bi enim say ade do wa ya parents nkekamu ni ebekekam ya betiantem to we shout across but when you di na afi no akoma no aba fom no na wa address that situation
akora bi wono akoma no beba form no adwo oben so ha na wosan no wa yaka osori ya no watwia fa so wankasa ho wanchia wonu nim se fie ono so ko ne yesori ayetia na efe no won nam so eno so
papa se eno na afi na wo be address no because ata na bufuo ni nyina afiri mu enti no broni be so obetimi aye objective abofra de the fact say woni wo wawofo enya asema wakekam no enche say wo sori atwifa no so ya ntete wo sa enti say wo join sa ebeka ho in the heat of the moment no na won ka ho asem but enye say wo be join sa ade cha no atwifa so na wo to akuti anyom especially teens no
okay
was say wo address but wo be address no in due season Bible say a word spoken in due season, how good it is.
Okay.
In due season, you know, and yes, I'm merena KKK.
Also, mebusem ka say emuaye boko sanka akoma.
Exactly.
A soft answer. Nti say many akura na be kasa akura na ebi amen kasa sa abre no aba me nya bre pa bi na mane akwada na ma sheda boapa intentional talks. Okay.
Exactly. But and also na yentimi nyakura yesuro. Yesuro sometimes say nipa no parents no yire no na fe otibi control emotions a na wabu na ni agu na ye ne so.
Okay.
But you have to talk about it at the appropriate time.
Okay.
Time at 10% form.
Okay.
Time that yen ase enijie kakra aba no
okay
the not nasty
okay
na what chire no
okay
because ye den a wo mo ye ma wo mo be fom yeso ye be fom but enyembre na ya fom no wo ma fom mu no keke no because eno na your parents be brede tete yen a yeso ye de tete ye ma mo ayen no ye be kike mu sa edu okra asem no kra no enye sta ena esiye but awofo no nya daade kra ma wo ena wo so frustration ti na wo de tiantiem because obi a gidi se wo tiantiem mu ma na ye be tena sem this work kem inti esese wo awofo no wo ye di enye easy edu sa amre ne dia papa me se wo twu ho kra free ho no asu because to person wo
to be ya usa adwoya na enkwada ne bi enso so enkwara nketua no ana ada age no omo wo ho etu omo hwe de omo nua na ye ene de omo nua na ye na wanka bibia sana ase monyo aso wa fere bi asa akura na bu animtia na maame no wo kɔ abonse ase wo to aka akɔ akɔhyem na tese wo kɔ no monyo bisa no enso be na
oh yes papa but then no omu nyina show say we lose to power and control na omu nyina so they will also follow just one address to their mindset no one address e dia e wo suro no omu suro no ntia you didn't address it there and then it doesn't mean that you are not going to address it but there and then emwa because obi a shout obo se bi be nkola no kwa mo se nketwa na echi ebi awo ana se o mo twe and you know oh sister jai oh brother jai obi want ni anka hwe because say bufuo no any sa lack of self control eba wo so a afi mu wie kura na mu ntimi nka asem ni bi mu but asem no de wo so woka akoda wo yiyi ano de esese ye transit na ye chance ye ni say but enya sa mpempenso ni mu parenting is one of the most challenging things in the world. And at this time, also social media near the idea banadi ama abatetiano ayedene. And yes, simple sir, because I keep saying that this time no and kwadano omo pese you hu near side two woman they have the voice. And sometimes the voice that they have no a disrespectfulness. A rudeness. How do we manage that as a parent? And it's a we a parent now who cost us to be away more. The person is showing say hope no, it's not lost. Maybe with channel of discipline, any your these things, and take control of your emotions. Na afeno na right perspective or any frame of mind. Let's sign for custody and two and custody because parenting a juma. What ye juma the mooning na so result. Onyame catch us for Koswa fan ye may be guaquemo. Yes, you catch Peter to a so no quasie. It is a parent no. You are still not launching into the deep and to get better tips.
Adria, you are going too deep. And the other one can be the way she but Kojoba Yache or ya no mamma high science and men but me person job Breno Kakra at the man or twa Nijumedia so. But baby a drew now we will continue on the chair and Kojo. So Maso, but yea.
Said them Quadani si woof, you know. Make dear mammy, you know.
Yeah.
Song free so.
That be Ojinaso. Ojinaso. Oh, yeah. Why a lecturer and teachers and pursue it to me a tricky free name.
Auntie, Papa, I wish I for my ba. And call baby, why?
And call baby, and the idea Beckham was him.
Auntie, Mamma and Twasso. Papa says 6 now could have baby.
I can't crave it. I can't crave it. I do to also crack.
My drama, machi.
Yeah, Jabra, you.
I do to also crack.
It's a year, Juma said, I was sorry, I will quit Juma, start number fratted to your society. And Pija will some go you say, I say, and say, there is still hope. Once I'm a fan of Tiasia, now also Tiasia, but me, I done it to Biano. Wait, I done it to Biano, but I was saying you're controlling your emotions. The reason why I've been talking about this is that I know that AD parents in ya, I know that you lose your power. And she said, one to me and show so. I will plain misbehavior anymore. You will lose it. Mankolani who say, hey, daddy dear, wasa, mommy dear wasa, when to me and shame. In that peak moment, Nemum Emrepa is similar. 10% in our calm it down. Address the situation. Enjoy also.
Enjoy the sound. Just I be on a sunny TBR, young Kawasam.
Ekuro ya wire ni muni ya mia.
One maka me mame pa ekuro bi tu me na me mame. Why ya ubesa so okroko na ode ensuo hia no ode boruba tu nsuo ma no ode ne nam ho omfantare ani o. Ode nam ho a obehwa so ode ne nam ho na edondon no ode ya wani huba akopɛ. Ubete se show. Afia bra.
Enti papa. Enti no. Yen share your so but yen address the situation no.
Yen share your so.
You
na adwa eye eja ene na asede ana se eye nanko asede no so de wo kan nyina no ye nyina yesua.
Papa me pa cho eye eja ene na asede. But say home no bi wo wa eja ne na no mo ya ware for all right. But adwumenti ba ko akodi baabi. That situation, no, what no, a response, major responsibility. Do baby, yeah, man. You could be baby, Abofrani, yeah, dear. Instead, step or back or what they papa bar. When you do that, you are losing power, you are losing control.
Oh, okay.
Because at that moment, when the Yamede Abofrani,
say you are in control.
Exactly. And a control, and you body tense. But Makolani who said, yes, you are, Mammy, control me, you are in charge. Me share at this very moment. It's Yamani be okra now.
Because we are a single mother.
Yes.
It's a be uncle ba or beka.
So the party now will walk on it. And no. Edu baby kwenye bibia na wo kama the other party na wo ni honest. Adwa
yam fancy ochna nyame ya adon e beto aso wate.
Papa mpacho.
Adwa ye de si ha wate me da se. Krista Osemensa a lecturer a dean of students Garden City University Ashanti region Kumasi. I am dedicating your way so mammy more fast for be Emmanuel a champon, Eunice a champon. Sankuremi and some mammy a war mono or war Yanamity radio to say ya. Namity 4 years, 4 years. Namity radio to see and you sending message. Oh, Eunice, I will not worry about 15 years now, woman. Or war you almost sending me a message the next day. Oh, Bani Wooye. Ujan Kuremi answer. I am Kora Muni Mame. Emmanuel, yes. Your words are true. Mo papa, why ye Jumapa? Better must. I was here, Medusia. Nanawaha. Contonchi. Contonchi. I was here, I don't watch it. Thank you very much.